Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or I try to, unless there's no content to make, my car is broken, or I'm having a mental breakdown of some sort. I'm also in high school, so school also matters too. But today you find me at Evergreen Speedway, a track here in Washington State for Autocross. So here it is, a bunch of cars. I came a little later than usual, so yep. I'm driving my 2000 MR2 Spyder. I love this car, and I'm just gonna have some fun today. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my helmet. Huge thanks to Jared for lending me his. I'm gonna give you as many angles as I possibly can. And so I just got the new exhaust tube, bumper exit, love that thing. So thank you to Kung also for giving that to me. But I'm gonna be driving, it's gonna be awesome. And I'll catch you guys later. I need to go for inspection. There's a driver's meeting right now, and then we can start driving. So catch you guys later. So loud. But I just got finished eating, so now it's around like noon. We have a couple, like 6 hours to drive. So basically there's 3 sessions and I'm in the 3rd one, so I just gotta wait a little bit. But overall the track, it's pretty big. Oh, we gotta stay over on this line. There's a little first run that I just did. It's basically just for Easter, so it's just for fun, but that's pretty much it. Alright, so as you guys saw in the last GoPro clip, completely spun me around, and sounded like I bent a rod or something, but it seems perfectly fine, nothing's leaking. I'm just gonna go take it out for a spin, make sure everything's okay. But yeah, I was pretty pissed, so that's it was scary. So let's go ahead. Alright, so I'm on the highway with my hazards on. It's around like 2,000 or 2,500 RPM. 2,000 is fine. Right when I start hitting 2,500, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but start hearing like a really bad sound. It's just really bad. So I'm just going slow with my that sound. Going slow with my hazards on. I have like a 30-minute drive, so this is gonna be not very enjoyable. Yep. Yeah, we're fucked. Oh my god. So basically I'm editing this video right now. This video was recorded around almost a month ago. So my engine, the head got pretty messed up. So instead of rebuilding it, I decided to just pick up a new engine. So thank you to Toge Time. I put his information here. I picked up the engine actually yesterday. So it was down for about a month. I'm going to do some preventive maintenance, like replace the water pump, do some gaskets, but the engine overall has 80,000 less miles than mine did. It doesn't burn oil like mine did. Mine burned probably a quart every 200 miles. So that's a lot. I was constantly filling up oil, so I kind of knew that the engine was gonna go, especially tracking it. So now a lot of you guys are gonna ask, why didn't I do a 2ZZ swap? First of all, it's money. I just don't have that kind of money because I'm a student. And also the 1ZZ is good for torque, and my track has a lot of torque, so might as well just do that. And also, if you're gonna do 2ZZ swap, definitely do it right from the beginning, and I just didn't have the funds to do it right, so I'm just gonna stick to the 1ZZ for now. Maybe in the future I'll upgrade, definitely in the future, but right now I'm just sticking with that. He definitely gave me a good deal, it's in good shape, so I'm gonna have a lot more videos on just showing the whole process through everything, and replacing the motor, and it'll be a new experience for me also. Also check out the next video and the previous video. I've been working pretty hard. Keep the support coming. Thank you guys so much for 2.3K already. So I'll see you guys next one. Peace out, and let your passion drive you.